In a vast, verdant jungle, far from human reach, dwelt a majestic elephant named Sloth. His name suited him well, for Sloth was the laziest elephant in the entire jungle. One day, a great drought struck the jungle. The rivers dried up, and the leaves withered. All the animals scurried about, seeking water, but Sloth remained in his shade, unmoved. The other elephants, worry etched on their faces, approached Sloth. "Come, Sloth," they pleaded, "the water is running low. We must help each other find water before it's too late." Sloth, however, scoffed at their worries. "Why should I move when the water comes to me?" he said, settling deeper into his shade. Days turned into weeks, and the jungle was on the brink of collapse. The animals, desperate, returned to Sloth. "Sloth, we need you. Your strength could save us," they pleaded. But Sloth, now weak from hunger and thirst, sighed and said, "I am too tired, too lazy. I cannot help." In that moment, a small deer, barely able to carry her young, fell beside Sloth. "Please, help me," she begged, her eyes pleading. Sloth, looking into the eyes of the desperate deer, felt a strange stirring within him. He stood up, his legs trembling, and with a mighty effort, helped the deer and her young to their feet. As he helped more and more animals, Sloth found strength he never knew he had. He realized that his laziness had not been a sign of wisdom, but of weakness. In the end, Sloth, once the laziest elephant in the jungle, became the strongest and most respected. He learned that sometimes it takes a great effort to help others, but the reward is worth it. And so, the tale of the indolent elephant serves as a reminder to all that laziness is a burden, but effort can turn even the weakest into the strongest.